Welcome back, everybody, to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special with another NES game, which is going to be Super Jeopardy. Let's see how it goes.
Let's play Jeopardy!
And we have these categories: World War II, inventions, three-letter words, biology, dance, and finally, science fiction. Alright. I can deal with these categories. Biology for 200.
For 200 points, the answer is...
Greek philosopher and Einlander believed humans evolved from these creatures. What are birds? No.
Incorrect.
No.
Incorrect.
Is it fish? Fish, yeah. Oh well. Biology for 400.
For 400 points, the answer is...
The 19th century French scientist who proved bacteria caused disease. Who is Louis Pasteur?
Correct.
Let's take biology for 600.
For 600 points, the answer is...
The study of relationships of living things to each other in their environment. What is ecology?
Correct.
Biology for 800.
For 800 points, the answer is...
The building blocks of proteins. What are amino acids?
Correct.
Biology 1000.
For 1,000 points, the answer is...
Hemocyanin in crustaceans serves the same function as this in mammals. Hemoglobin, yeah.
For 200 points, the answer is...
In 1938, Wells broadcast this Wells novel. What is the War of the Worlds?
For 400 points, the answer is...
The city found in a classic Fritz Lang film or Superman comics. What is Metropolis?
Correct. For 600 points, the answer is...
He chronicled Martians, illustrated man, and told us something wicked this way comes. Who is Ray Bradbury?
Correct. For 800 points, the answer is...
In 1966, Raquel Welch took this title trip into a person's bloodstream. What is Voyage to the Bottom of the Sea? Or Voyage to the Sea? No.
Incorrect.
Fantastic Voyage. Okay.
For 1,000 points, the answer is
The Last Whole Earth Catalog recommended this Frank Herbert book as an ecological primer. June. Oh, okay. Alright.
for 200 points, the answer is
Its popular calls include promenade and swing your partner. What is do-si-do?
incorrect.
No. Square dancing. They wanted the dance. Okay.
For 200 points, the answer is
Until the early 1950s, the primary use of a seatbelt was in this mode of transportation. What's the airplane?
for 400 points, the answer is
Hungarian-born Edward Teller is known as the father of this bomb. What is the hydrogen bomb?
correct. For 600 points, the answer is
The Wankel is the most fully developed and widely known of this type of engine. What is diesel?
incorrect.
No. Rotary.
For 400 points, the answer is
Uh-oh.
It's a daily double.
The nationality of Nijinsky and Pavlova. They're Russian, yep.
Correct. For 200 points, the answer is
Flowers sleep in one of these. What's a bed?
for 400 points, the answer is
A flipper or a fiber? What is a fin?
correct. For 600 points, the answer is
A grown-up acorn. What's an oak?
correct. For 800 points, the answer is
To question. What is ask?
correct. For 1,000 points, the answer is
The bathroom the British skip to. What's a loo?
for 600 points, the answer is
Originally called the Weller or Spinner, this dominated 19th century ballroom dancing. What's a waltz?
For 800 points, the answer is...
The musical for which Agnes DeMille created a dream sequence danced by doubles of Curly and Laurie. What is Sunset Boulevard? No.
Incorrect.
Oklahoma.
For 1,000 points, the answer is...
He designed the decor for the ballet The Three-Cornered Hat in 1919 before painting the three musicians in 1921. Picasso.
For 800 points, the answer is...
A British teacher knighted after inventing a shorthand system. Isaac Pittman.
Correct. For 200 points, the answer is...
General McCullough's one-word reply when asked by the Germans to surrender. What is nuts?
For 400 points, the answer is...
Firebombing of this German city is shown in the film Slaughterhouse-Five. Dresden.
For 600 points, the answer is...
The big three, Roosevelt, Churchill, and Stalin, first met in this Iranian capital. What is Tehran?
For 800 points, the answer is...
The only one of the Axis powers to surrender unconditionally. What is Italy? No.
Incorrect.
No.
Incorrect.
Oh, Germany. Okay.
For 1,000 points, the answer is...
The first American offensive in the Pacific involved the capture of this Solomon Island. Guadalcanal.
For 1,000 points, the answer is...
He also invented a rubber dental plate. Charles Goodyear. So Karen has 4,800. Michael has 5,200. And I have 4,600. So I go first in Double Jeopardy.
Let's play Double Jeopardy.
Let's get the categories up. U.S. cities. Medals. Starts with REC. Democrats. Roman Empire. And mythology. Democrats for 500.
For 500 points, the answer is...
Initials in common to Lyndon Johnson, his wife, and daughters. What are LBJ? Democrats for
Correct.
1,000.
For 1,000 points, the answer is
Last name of the seminarian who became California's guru governor. Brown.
for 500 points, the answer is
Uh-oh.
it's a daily double.
1 cup of flour, 2 eggs, and 1 stick of butter. It's a recipe, yep.
Correct. For 500 points, the answer is
Soft nylon metal Superman can't see through. What is lead? It starts with REC for 1,000.
for 1,000 points, the answer is
This job entails answering phones, greeting clients, and shielding the boss from pushy salesmen. What is a receptionist?
correct. For 1,500 points, the answer is
Howard Hughes or Greta Garbo, for example. What is a recluse?
correct. For 2,000 points, the answer is
This show is Little Gary's big chance to show off his singing lessons to Auntie Barbara. A recital.
for 500 points, the answer is
Sea nymph with whom Odysseus spent 7 years with the folk music of Trinidad. What is calypso?
for 2,500 points, the answer is
The house in which an Episcopal minister lives. Rectory, yep.
for 1,000 points, the answer is
Proverb advises you to strike at this time. What is while the iron is hot?
for 1,500 points, the answer is
In common table salt, this element is the metal. What is sodium?
correct. For 2,000 points, the answer is it's a daily double.
I gotta do it. Of the correct penny, nickel, or dime, the one which contains the most copper. That would have to be the penny. What?
Incorrect.
It's not? It's the nickel? Well, I gotta make a comeback now.
For 2,500 points, the answer is
Silver white metal found in chalk, gypsum, and Wonder Bread. What is calcium?
for 1,500 points, the answer is
Walter Mondale's 5-letter nickname isn't Wally, but this. Fritz.
1,000 points, the answer is...
He was willing to die for Damon. Nope.
Incorrect.
Nope.
Incorrect.
Pythias, however you say it.
For 500 points, the answer is...
The die is cast, he said on crossing the Rubicon. Who is Hannibal? No.
Incorrect.
Julius Caesar.
Correct. For 1,000 points, the answer is...
When an artist dies in me, were this Roman emperor's last words in 68 AD? Who is Nero? Finally, I got one right.
For 1,500 points, the answer is...
This emperor had a wall built across the northern part of England. Who is Hadrian?
Correct. For 2,000 points, the answer is...
Statesman Cato closed every speech, regardless of the subject, by saying it must be destroyed. Carthage.
For 2,500 points, the answer is...
Saluting the emperor, they described themselves as those who are about to die. Who are gladiators? Wow, I got it.
For 2,000 points, the answer is...
Ex-Colorado senator who served as McGovern's campaign manager in 1972. Nope.
Incorrect.
Gary Hart.
For 2,500 points, the answer is...
Hubert Humphrey's running mate in 1968. Nope.
Incorrect.
Edmund Muskie.
For 1,500 points, the answer is...
The mightiest Greek warrior after Achilles, Colgate now cleans up using his name. Who is Ajax? Wow.
For 2,000 points, the answer is...
He and Daedalus escaped from prison by flying. Who is Icarus?
Correct. For 2,500 points, the answer is
Norse god of mischief and trickery who is supposed to eventually destroy the world. Oh, Loki.
For 500 points, the answer is
Name of the wife of the infamous King George III. It's North Carolina's largest city. What is Charlotte?
For 1,000 points, the answer is
Secret formulas of both old and new Coca-Cola are kept in a bank vault in this city. What is Atlanta?
correct. For 1,500 points, the answer is
While St. Louis is in Missouri, East St. Louis is in this state. What is Illinois?
correct. For 2,000 points, the answer is
The southern city is the setting for Porgy and Bess. Charleston.
For 2,500 points, the answer is
Florida's largest city. What is Jacksonville? Yep. I made a comeback and I'm in the lead. So it's all going to depend on Final Jeopardy.
Let's play Final Jeopardy.
The category for Final Jeopardy is going to be the 40s. Mussolini, Hitler, and FDR all died during this month in 1945. That's my answer. It's April, so I'm going to win $250,000. See you all for another game.